My message to President Biden and the United States at large is that we as Rwandans and Africans, we welcome the partnership of the United States and African countries. The Biden administration needs to strive to make sure that the partnership of the United States and Africans is based on mutual understanding, respect for values and the cultures of course, the United States and African states as well.
The message I have for the United States and for President Joe Biden is that they need to take accountability for the roles they've played in countries of war and countries of unrest, such as Palestine, Syria, and Iraq. They have a responsibility as a first world country to provide aid where aid is needed.
The US need to do everything possible to make sure things that directly or indirectly happen to us are actually something we are meaningfully engaged, especially putting us at the center of every action or decision they take, especially issues around challenges the world face, in issues around humanitarian crisis, insecurity, food, health, and also even climate change. I think these are things we directly or indirectly contribute. So they must make sure that we actually do something on it and also meaningfully engage us in it.